from across the room. Those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. No, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control of the lights in this space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shifts me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you. Something that I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now, to some place where there ain't no crowds. I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand. Led me all the way to the ocean sand. You told me don't worry as the moon.
He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire, and he keeps playing sides with the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, the pride, heaven if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners to play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope for every mother and every child, every
Alrighty guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed that. I want to try something a little bit new. It was a silent vlog and I want to see how it worked out, and I think it turned out pretty well. I think the edits were pretty good. I think that everything just kind of flowed together pretty smoothly. It was a little shorter than I anticipated it. I wanted to do a little longer, but it's all good though. Still a solid video in my opinion. But that being said, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. But make sure to have a jaws of life swallow you alive. Nathan out.
Can I trust what I'm given when faith still needs a gun? Whose ammunition